days before he died. What a shame that part. What a mistake.
But you can still
I
communicate.
honor him. Yeah, I use this name to honor him because he was honest. I know when even he died, he not happy because the daughter not, he didn't want to give up, but the situation make that, too poor. Otherwise, I will die. So maybe have to give up. Maybe can have saved, So.
But he probably knows.
Yeah, I know that is a
Even though he's
really
passed.
difficult decision.
Yeah.
So I honor him. One day I have this, so that he can know that I can be free artist. He wants to be an artist, but because he's so poor, earn money, he write the article for the newspaper. Just write, and then make him sick. The lung have sick, and then have treatment, and then give the medicine, and then make the ear cannot hear, or die. So that kind of unhappy life he has. But now I honor him. I really make him proud of me. I hope he can know that I really learned so hard. I learned everything from the nature surround me.
How could he not be proud? This is just so exquisite. Such a gift.
Oh my God! I hope Charlie and
Chris,
Chris,
yeah.
I miss that. I really want to see them, but they're just
So far away.
far away.
We're trying to get him back down here again.
Yeah, really. Can I tell you guys?
It's been hard for her to choose.
You're in Los Angeles? We were rushing a lot back last night and this morning. This one is actually a trip day, but we ran out of road. So we got the two left sections of it.
So you ate?
Oh, I don't think you're supposed to open that without asking. Are they pretty? Nice.
You ate?
Yeah,
You had a lot?
food. Did you have tacos? One thing I can always depend
A
on.
lot of the chiclets, the originals, are so that's why
He does.
what's left of the chiclets.
Don't really have them in a stripe.
And then some we purposely just to make the pricing available.
Very nice. This is my favorite series.
And you didn't select it?
But she framed it with this unique filter.
Burn, baby, burn.
Glass on top, so it makes it look a little bit cloudy. But no,
Once she figured that out, you can't stop her.
it's gorgeous. Did she tell you how she makes these?
I'm glad.
She crinkles the rice paper up and she irons it out again. So it has all of these. This is what you see. And then she's with her silk traces over everything. Sign the book. It's amazing. You want to sign the book? Right, Cody King? Hi. Well, that's just said you were here, and so it looked through and see who was here. I did it right here. Alicia King. Now you can just put Cody King. Any color you want. What's your name? Cody. That's your name, isn't it?
I don't know if either of them are sure.
And this don't rub it, it's wet. Now just write it again. Let it dry. I know, it's okay.
That's nice.
Or eyeball light. That new way of this.
I'm surprised. I wonder asking for the
Oh.
good. Yeah.
White John.
Yeah, his granddad.
So now, oh, we're seeing each other through the mirror. Oh, that's the only way I'll get into it. Oh, good. Did you take it? She's shaking it.
Butterfly is a Chinese symbol of passion and love. So it's a very well-known story about butterfly love.
Oh.
Yeah, and they also have
Welcome.
music about the nature of butterfly
Yes,
love.
please. Yes, please.
Hey, how are you?
Hi.
Take the job.
Hey.
Repeat what you just said.
Congratulations, Washing.
Thank you. Wow, good work. Power. Yeah. So happy to see her.
Your name is Weinstein Darwan, correct?
Yes.
And are you the owner of this gallery?
Yes.
What is the name of your gallery, ma'am?
The Floating Cloud Gallery.
How do you say the floating cloud gallery in Mandarin, Weinstein?
云顺画廊.
And how do you say many blessings and much success?
Much success means 恭祝成功啊. Thank you.
Repeat that, please.
恭祝成功. Wow.
Many blessings and much success to you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Wow, man. You know what? I'd like to, but I have to go for the movie.
How are you?
Yeah.
Thank you. What a illustration is just finding his name.
Very nice. Oh, we got me.
So what do you think of
The gallery?
the art of Weinstein Darwan?
I love it. I love the oriental writing. I love the texture of all the pictures.
Do you live here in Laguna?
Yes, right there.
Well, please feel free to spread the word.
Oh, yes, I will.
Okay, thank you very much.